am making an apple cheesecake bake. Spraying my pan with my oil. Got my crescent rolls here. Now, apparently you can buy sheets of this crescent dough. So if you can buy that, I would. My store here in Wyoming does not have the full sheets. So I'm just going to squish this all in here. Yeah, it's not going to fit in your pan totally, and that's fine. I have some leftover pie filling from another recipe. I'm going to put that in. Now, this is how I deal with leftovers. I just make up recipes as I go along. Okay. Then I've got some cinnamon and sugar I'm going to sprinkle on top. Then got my cheesecake. It's already pre-made. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. If you want an apple pie filling that's homemade, Dining on a Dime Volume 1 has a delicious apple pie filling. You can freeze it or just use it right away. Also on our website, Living on a Dime, and Volume 2 has no-bake cheesecake, so you can make your own if you want. All right, then I'm going to take the rest of our crescent dough here, and before I put it on there, I'm going to kind of squish it out a little bit. You can roll it if you want, but I'm just going to, see, I'm just going to smush it out with my hands, just like so. Then I'm going to set it on top. Do it again. All right, and because I like crunchy tops, I'm going to take a little bit more cinnamon and sugar and sprinkle it on top. Now we're gonna put this in the oven and bake it. Oh, yum. This looks delicious. Oh my goodness. Wow, that looks really good. Okay, we have apple cheesecake.
Ooh, apple cheesecake.
Yes.
Yum.
Tell me what you think.
I'm assuming it's going to be yum. Mmm.
Is it delicious?
Mm. That's really good.
Yay.
There's some flavor in it that's familiar. Wow, that's really good. Yum.
Hello, today I'm making 2-ingredient apple fritters. Oh my goodness, these are so delicious and so easy. You just want a can of cinnamon rolls. Woo! Then you're going to cut your cinnamon rolls into pieces. Get mine. I just cut them into quarters, just like that. And I forgot to grease my baking pan. So grease your baking pan. What I'm going to do is grease one side, put them over there. Then grease the other side. See, I saved it. Alright, now we're going to put these all evenly in our pan. Oh, I love these cinnamon rolls. My kids, they must get it for me because we all love these cinnamon rolls. This apple bake is going to be so delicious. Alright, this is an 8x8 pan. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your apple pie filling, put your knife in and cut up the apples so that they're in smaller bites because they're a little too big. I mean, if you like them big, you can just go ahead and leave it if you want. But I like more of an apple fritter taste where the apples are small pieces. Okay. And then you're just going to put your pie filling all over. This pie filling is from Dollar Tree. Then we're going to smooth it all over, and we are going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. All right, we have our luscious 2-ingredient apple fritter. Now, I'm going to take this one out of the pan and put it on my plate. Then we're going to take our yummy frosting, drizzle the frosting all over. Oh, look at that yummy goodness. This is just the frosting that came with the cinnamon rolls. And there you have luscious apple fritter bake. This recipe is in the description below. All right, there's the awesome yummy goodness. You can see people have already been sampling, but here we go.
Gotta try this. Ooh.
It's apple fritter bake.
It's hard to get a hold of it. Oh, I guess maybe I should put it on a spoon. Mmm. That's really good. Yum.
2 ingredients.
2 ingredients?
2.
Wow, that's awesome.
Is that impressive for
That's
2 ingredients?
Very impressive and very delish.
Apple pie cake, version 2, spice cake mix. Now if you need apple pie spice, let's say you have a white cake mix, not a spice, you could use a white cake mix and apple pie spice in Dining on a Dime Volume 1 on our website, Living on a Dime. Then pie filling. And my eggs. All right, the recipe is in the description below. Just mix this all together. All right, I got my 9x13 that I have sprayed with oil. All right, we're gonna bake this, and then we're gonna cut it and see what Mike thinks. It is straight out of the oven. It smells like an apple pie. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to cut into this. We're gonna let it cool just a little bit. I'm not going to frost this one. Oops, I got a little Cool Whip left. Oh, yum. That looks delicious. Mmm. Oh man, that's good.
So this one is an unknown miscellaneous apple thing. Tara said it's an apple pie cake, I guess. So this apple pie cake, we're gonna try this. Yum. She's wounded, that's why she's not here.
She's temporarily out of commission.
Yes. See, she just gives it up for y'all. Okay, trying this one. Apple pie cake. Mmm. That's even more like an apple pie. That is delicious. Yum. I'm glad we're going to take this to a party tonight.